This is not a paid promotion. I'm actually just excited because normally when I do all this work, I make a mess. So we've got an apron. So I'm doing an apron unboxing. I have not seen it obviously because it is fresh out the mail. And so I'm excited. You know, sometimes you see in the ads, you don't really know. So this is paid for by me or my wife. And this is going to become part of my new uniform. I did reach out to the company about possibly being sponsored by them. That's kind of cool. Or doing some type of promotion for them. We have not reached any types of decisions. Okay, let's see what we got. So this is pretty cool. It's a harness of some kind. Let's check it out. Yeah. My wife has nice taste. We went with all black. That's pretty cool. What? Now you don't have to look at my sloppy self. We'll just leave it at that. I'm working on it, guys. I used to be a lot thinner, and we're gonna get back there. You're probably thinking, like, why don't you use a knife? Okay, so does it go on a certain way? Okay, do not hesitate. So we have these two. Let's make sure that both sides are out that way. Okay. What? Okay. That's nice. There you go. I think I like it. It's heavy duty. It's got like a nice, it's thick. It's not too thick. It's actually, this is more of a dense cloth. I do not know what it's made out of to tell you that. This is leather. Nice. Handy pockets, of course. I don't know if I've tied it attractive or not. I don't have a mirror. So anyway, that's pretty cool. So the company, I didn't even mention, the company is OLPR. I don't know if you say it a certain way or if you just say OLPR. They are out of North Carolina, which is really not far off the road. They're more in the middle of the state, but near the border of South and North Carolina. So I will have to eventually look in the mirror and see if I get this right. But anyway, this is going to be my new uniform for the channel. And so I'm going to put a link in the description. Again, not sponsored. I'm not paid. I'm not promoting them in the sense that like I get any type of compensation. Maybe one day if they see that that they're getting some traffic, they'll hook a brother up. But anyway, I'm super excited about this being what you normally see me in and all the new videos. Nice. All right, thank you.